Germs are gross, and we are focused on keeping our home a safe haven now more than ever. Let's talk about the top 4 ways to purify the air in your home. Houseplants. Popular options include the Barberton Daisy, English ivy, weeping fig, and the spider plant. These plants filter out toxins naturally and brighten up your space while doing so. Essential oils. They are all the rage and for good reason. Diffuse or dilute with water and spray as needed. The top anti-bacterial oils include tea tree, lemon, orange, and peppermint. Get a high-quality air filter or air purifier. Keep your air filter fresh, invest in a high-quality HEPA filter, and even add in extra germ-fighting power with an external air purifier or a UV lamp to zap those nasty germs. Salt lamps. It's believed that salt lamps improve air quality by naturally ionizing your home's air, helping those with allergies or respiratory diseases. Plus, they look cool. We hope these tips were helpful. Give us a call if you need us. Stay safe and stay cool.